In this video, you'll learn how to send a free PDF to your Mailchimp subscribers. This process involves creating a campaign, designing an email, and uploading the PDF file for distribution. Start by navigating to the Mailchimp website and logging into your account. If prompted, enter your login credentials to access your dashboard. Once you are logged in, look for the campaigns option in the main menu on the left side of the screen. Next, click on the Create button, which is typically located towards the upper right corner of the campaigns page. This action will direct you to a new screen where you can choose the type of campaign you want to create. Wait for the options to load completely before proceeding. After that, click on Begin to start setting up your campaign. This will take you to another screen with various settings and options for your email campaign. Ensure that the page has fully loaded before you continue. Once this appears, you will see a modal window with campaign settings. Click on Close Modal to dismiss this window and return to the main campaign setup interface. Now click on Design Email to start creating the content of your email. This section will allow you to customize your email's appearance and layout. Wait for the design interface to load completely before moving forward. In the design section, select Start from Scratch to create a new email template. This option gives you full control over the email layout. The new design interface will appear, preparing you for further customization. Next, locate the paragraph block in the content options and drag it into the center of your email layout. This will create a text area where you can input your message. Ensure that the paragraph block is positioned correctly before proceeding. After placing the paragraph block, click inside the text box to type your message. This is where you will inform your subscribers about the free PDF they will receive. Once you've written your message, highlight the text that you want to turn into a link. This step is crucial as it directs your subscribers to download the PDF. Now, click on Add Link in the text editing toolbar. This will open a new dialog box for link settings. Pay attention to the options available in this dialog. Next, select Web as the link type to ensure it points the PDF file. This option will allow you to upload the file from your device. Then click on File to navigate to the file upload options. This action will provide you with the ability to attach your PDF directly to the email. After that, select Upload from Device to browse your computer for the PDF file. Keep in mind that larger files may take longer to upload depending on your internet speed. Locate the PDF file you wish to send. Make sure the file is accessible and verify its size, as this may affect the upload time and your overall storage limits. Click on Open to begin the upload process. You will see a loading indicator while the file is being uploaded, which may take a few moments depending on your connection. Once the upload is complete, click on Save to ensure that your changes are applied. This step is essential to finalize the attachment of the PDF to your email. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.